Hey creators, welcome back to another video with the Benteh STEAM Academy. My name is Isabelle and today we'll be going over how to clean your Glowforge. It's important to clean your Glowforge about every 40 hours of printing to keep things running smoothly. Here are the supplies that you'll need: Q-tips, lens wipes, or a microfiber cloth, and paper towels. Make sure to always turn off your Glowforge when preparing to clean it. First, we'll clean the crumb tray and the floor. Open the lid and grab any leftover materials or debris. Then you'll lift up the crumb tray, sliding it towards you, careful not to hit the rails or printer head. If there's anything on the crumb tray, you can just tilt the crumb tray over a trash can and empty it there. In the grid of the crumb tray, if any pieces get caught in there, you can get a Q-tip and fish it out. But make sure to be careful not to bend the grid. Then, with a paper towel, we will wipe off the debris and dust from the floor. There are 4 little dimples on the floor. Make sure that those are clean too. That's where the crumb tray sits. We want to make sure it stays stable and balanced so it can print properly. When putting the crumb tray back inside the Glowforge, don't forget that the handle faces you. Next, we will clean the cameras, laser lens, and mirrors. With the Glowforge still turned off, we will grab the print head and gently pull up and back. This will disengage the magnets so we can remove the print head. Turn the print head upside down and then wipe the 2 windows with your lens wipes. Next, we will remove the camera lens inside the print head. Grab your blue lens tool and insert the side that says remove, the silver side. Once you hear the magnet click, that's when you can remove it. You'll see the lens on the end. It will just slide off the tool. Make sure not to touch the lens with your fingers and hold the lens by the metal ring to avoid fingerprints. You can use your lens wipe to clean the camera off. Today we're going to be using a microfiber cloth instead of lens wipes. You can use either or. Now we can reinstall the camera lens. To do this, you will need your lens tool again. We will use the side that says install. You will see it has the arrow pointing up. Place the camera lens inside of the tool, making sure the glass part is facing down into the tool. It should look like a little metal bowl sitting on top of your tool. Then, all you need to do is slide the tool up into the print head until the magnet clicks. Then, remove the tool. You'll also want to wipe the little window on the left side of the print head. Now, we're going to move the print head over to the right side. Grab a lens wipe and clean the little window inside of the Glowforge. It sits right above the silver rail on the left side of the Glowforge. Next, we're going to clean the mirror that is inside of the print head. After about every 120 hours of printing, you'll want to clean this. The Glowforge is still turned off and we're going to keep it off for now. Remove the top cover of the print head. It's held on by magnets. Gently grab the mirror by the handle and wipe it with your lens wipes. Make sure to be careful not to touch the mirror itself with your bare fingers. Then you'll gently place the mirror back into its home just how you found it. It lays at a 45-degree angle to the top of the print head. Last but not least, we're also going to make sure to wipe the camera lens that lays inside the lid. And that's it. Chanan, thank you for joining me today, and if you want to see more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time, and as always, keep creating.